electric chairs. I'm only human with my cross to bear. She described her underwear. I forgot all the rules my rabbi taught me in the old. You're too young to be this empty girl, so I'll prepare you for a secular world. Know that you will be my downfall, but I call it, I called her on the phone and she touched herself. She touched herself.